Ah, hey. See ya.
Bye.
See how awkward it can be if you don't have the slightest capability to do small talk in English?
Today, we're gonna learn how to make small talk on Italian time. Bing, bing, bing.
So, we're gonna have a quick small talk like conversation with some keywords, and then after that brief conversation, we're gonna go through those keywords that will be a huge help for you when you make small talk. Remember to turn on those subtitles if you don't understand, and let's get started.
Yeah, and I'm sorry for my acting skills.
I'm not, because I'm a great actor.
Okay, let's try. Ciao, come stai?
Tutto bene, grazie. E te?
Bene, bene. Che dici?
Ma il solito, lavoro, amici. Tra poco parto. Vado una settimana in Grecia.
Che bello! Ci vuole proprio. Così ti rilassi un po'. Qui fa caldissimo, non si respira. Almeno in Grecia tira vento, dicono.
Sì, è vero. Qui si boccheggia. Tu invece che mi racconti?
Io niente di che. Lavoro sempre al negozio, a casa tutto bene. Noi siamo stati una settimana in Puglia a inizio luglio.
Ah sì? Siete stati bene?
Benissimo. Abbiamo preso un bed and breakfast vicino al mare. Bello. Passa a trovarci per un caffè ogni tanto, ci fa piacere.
Va bene. Allora a presto, salutami tutti.
Ok? A presto. Buona giornata.
Buona giornata. Ciao.
Ciao.
Not gonna lie, that was extremely awkward, but I hope you get the point.
We're such good actors.
Okay, so now let's go through some of the key words that Italians use when they're making small talk. A couple of them sound a little bit strange, and when I first heard them, I was like, I don't understand. The first is che dici, which literally means, what do you say? Of course, this means, what's up? Talk to me, tell me anything,
Yeah.
what's going
Any
on.
news?
Exactly, it's just a friendly way to kind of break the ice. Che dici?
Yeah.
And the same goes for che mi racconti, which literally means, what do you tell me? Really the same thing.
Like, do you have any news, something to talk about?
When I first heard che mi racconti, I was like,
A story?
What do I tell you? What can I tell you? But yeah, it just kind of means like, what's up? Talk to me. Tell me anything.
Yep.
Let's start talking. So a typical response to these questions could be something like il solito, which means like the usual, nothing special.
Yeah, and if
nothing
you have no news, it's like il solito, and then you just say pretty much what you do at work, family, dog, friends.
Exactly. And a similar response is niente di che, which you heard in that conversation. Niente di che literally means nothing of what, but figuratively it means not much, nothing special, nothing really to
No.
share.
But if you do have some good news, just go ahead and
Of
say
course.
like, I'm going to Japan. Ah!
So another little phrase you might have heard is ci fa piacere, which that's to us, it is a pleasure. Another way to say this is mi fa piacere, which like it's a pleasure for me. This is a common way to say like
I don't know, if you invite, in the example I said like, come and visit us. It's a pleasure for us. Ci fa piacere.
okay, another important phrase is saluta tutti, which means tell everyone I say hi. Or if you want to say someone specific, like tell him I say hi, you could say saluta Gianluca. You could also say salutami Gianluca, like tell him hi for me. Salutami Gianluca.
Yes.
So if you want to say tell them I say hi, salutameli, salutameli, or salutami tutti.
Yeah, salutami tutti.
And last is just a simple way to say have a good day, which is buona giornata. This is definitely more friendly than saying like buongiorno as your goodbye, which is very formal and also usually used as a greeting rather than like a goodbye. And on the other end of the day, the night, buona serata.
Yeah. Buona giornata. So buongiorno and buona giornata are really different. Buongiorno is the greeting. Buona giornata is like have a nice day.
Small talk is like super important in any
And he
any
hates it.
language. I'm not a big fan, but I have learned how to do it. Ciao, come stai? Che dici? Che mi racconti? Niente di
He
che.
doesn't like
Va
it at
bene,
all.
tutto a posto? Sì, certo. Allora
I'm good at
salutami
it.
tutti.
Pretty
Ciao.
good at it.
She's very good at that, but I don't like it. So I hope you guys learned something, and as always for this video as well, we will have a nice exercise on our Patreon page. For those of you who don't know, our Patreon page is full of useful content. I can't say that enough. So if you are trying to learn Italian here on the internet, you might want to check out that resource. It's super useful and cheap.
Thank you guys.
We will catch you later. Arrivederci.
Ciao.
Buona giornata.